We finally got the sample of the Tripole connector, and I'd love to show you the details. The entire piece is CNC machined from aluminum alloy, then anodized to a matte black finish. At the top, there's a 1/4 inch screw, which can directly mount a ball head or camera. At the bottom, these holes are 1/4 inch threaded nuts, so each of the 3 legs can be connected and adjusted at 3 different angles depending on your setup. You can even attach extra gear, like a fill light, using a magic arm. This flat surface here has a cutout. It's designed for weight reduction and also so you can clip it to your backpack using a carabiner. This product includes not only the connector, but also 3 adapter rods. Let me show you how to use it. First, screw the 3 rods into the connector. Then, attach each rod to a trekking pole. Adjust the height of the poles as needed and mount your camera on top. Now, what if you only have 1 pair of our trekking poles? No problem. We include a small accessory called the pole tip selfie clamp, which lets you adapt other brands of trekking poles too. This little part lets your poles turn into a tripod for your camera, perfect for outdoor photographers using larger lenses or doing time-lapse shooting.